What's up, guys? Just for everyone out there that does not know or is new to the channel, just to let you know, my name's Carlos, channel name Carlos Funly. Just to let you guys know, I'm going to be posting more often, and I will be also specifically posting about my '05 Subaru WRX. I'm currently working on it. I just have gotten a rebuild on the entire motor. I will post up the pictures just to keep you guys, informed about what I have done so far. It's not completely stock so far. I've only done the headers, upgraded the headers, up pipe, down pipe, full exhaust system, fuel pump. Surprisingly, my fuel pump actually went in about a year. My fuel pump, when I was getting the car rebuilt, something was wrong with the fuel. Either the fuel regulator or the fuel pump itself. So my guy actually tested out the fuel lines and everything. It was fine entirely. Then once he double checked on the fuel pump to find out the hose burst with the plastic piece where the hose adapt to on the pump itself. Not entirely sure how that ever happened. I've never seen that happen. But just to let you guys know, that went back to being stock. I got the car tuned twice. I'm at 260, I think at 265 to 270 horsepower entirely. I'm at the paper that when I got a second tune, it was on 276 to 265 torque. Numbers aren't as accurate, but then again, I could look back at the paper, but that's not a problem. I got the rebuild after the 2 times I have got it tuned. So in all reality, the numbers probably changed. So I could be nearly close to 300 wheel horsepower. But that's besides the point. I'm going to be doing a fuel pump regulator, I'm going to do a complete upgrade on the fuel line, fuel regulator, fuel pump on top of that, including, I'm debating on 1,000 or 750 cc injectors. I'm not entirely sure. All I know, I'm just trying to get to 300 wheel horsepower top. To be honest, if I exceed the 300, I'm not worried about it. But obviously, when I get back to the car, when it's a bit warmer out, I know I'm going to probably record this one of these coming days. I'm going to be doing a radiator swap. I got a F-Win JDM radiator. I'm going to switch my OEM to that one, and I got gauges for pretty much the car, which is the fuel and air ratio, including the boost gauge. So I'll definitely keep you guys informed. Not only that, just to let you guys know, if anyone out there is actually in need of a fuel pump regulator, let me know. I have to admit, I made a slight tad bit mistake, but just to keep you guys informed. If you guys would like, comment down below. Let me know if you guys would want one or need one. It's just the regulator itself alone, with obviously the relocating bracket or wherever you would like to put it at. No lines at all. I've just made a slight mistake, and I don't feel like really returning it back. I feel like it would be better just either doing a giveaway, not entirely sure. It's an AEM, brand new, didn't even install it at all. I'm going to be buying a whole complete kit, is why I'm also thinking about either doing a giveaway or possibly seeing who wants it. Who knows? Let's see. All I know, just stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be obviously posting the pictures of the rebuild, complete breakdown with the changes of the parts that I bought, because I upgraded entirely everything. And the head gasket, I put Tony upgraded thick gasket, just because the heads up also for anyone out there that does not know nothing about tuning or entirely about cars or still very new. When you get your car tuned, I noticed that whatever number you give them or whatever you let them do, they will push the car to the extent where it's a possibility that your car could be, your car may, if it's new, it's good. But if it's not new and it's used with high mileage and everything, think twice, check your car beforehand, to then take it into the tune shop, because I never knew, but I was trying to push to 270 at one point, and I think he pushed it to then go back down. But I believe the only reason I blew my engine up or blew the head gasket, for me not knowing and not checking the car and not noticing anything wrong with the car or head gasket or double checking everything, and me not knowing how to pretty much find out if there was something wrong. I just took it to the tuning shop twice. I gave it a gap, but obviously if you take it to a tuning shop, you know, you need to sign a waiver. Not only that, they're not gonna check it. They actually thought that my turbo went, to find out my turbo didn't went, and my head gasket was completely gone. It blew up. Not only that, to find out my fuel pump was gone afterwards too. Because obviously my guy that obviously did the rebuild on the car, he said that you have to be careful with these tuning shops, because sometimes if you go in not knowing what you're doing and just throwing in your car in there, you would like to think twice and just check your car and check everything thoroughly beforehand. But just to let you guys know, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Obviously, I'm not a car enthusiast. I don't know everything about cars entirely. You know, I know my cars that I like and stuff like that, but for me to actually break down exactly part by part and what I need or what you guys need, or if you guys ask me questions, I could help to the best of my abilities, or I could shoot some links that obviously I'm getting some kind of knowledge from, because I don't know too much about you know, building a car. But I have to admit, I'm going to be experiencing that soon. And not, I mean, obviously I'm experiencing it now. On top of that, I plan on obviously just recording everything, you know, breaking it down and everything that I'm doing. I got a whole hose complete kit as well, and I have to admit, you know, I would like you to not only see the build, see what I do, but see how everything turns out. I believe I do got some videos posted out when my car, obviously, with my car, I believe it got tuned once or twice in one of the last videos that I had posted. Not entirely sure, but this is just a little video of me explaining of what I'm going to be doing. And if I didn't post that video of my car, no worries. I'll have my Instagram link down below. On top of that, I got a Twitter account, so everything be down below just to let you guys know. And if anyone obviously got any information before doing something to my car, and if you want to inform me, obviously, you know, I'm more gladly to take any type of comment or any type of help possible. Obviously, I needed help a few days ago to find out somebody, this auto parts guy was talking about, he never heard of a fuel regulator or fuel regulator kit on a Subaru, or I'm not sure what he meant, but it was so-called tedious, which I found hysterical. Like, how do you find that tedious? Not only tedious, but for the fact that he also says unnecessary. And I've seen people work on their car and change the complete fuel line, regulator, everything, upgraded everything. It's not tedious. It's not unnecessary. Now, if you plan on staying stock, I already know if you plan on staying stock, it's pointless on doing anything. But if you plan on upgrading, obviously it's always necessary. So I'm not sure if the guy did not know or he did not ask the right questions. But just to let you guys know, like, subscribe, I'll keep you guys posted. My Twitter account, I can keep you posted on there as well. Also, I'm a gamer, and I will be posting and streaming every now and then. And don't have a steady schedule, but just to let you guys know, everything will come down. All right, guys. Deuce out.